Hello, my little rising rockets. Welcome to my channel. My name is Beenal Patel. Those who have not subscribed my channel, do like and subscribe for new updates. Here we will be learning match the letter sound to the picture it begins with. Let's begin with the sound. Can you identify the picture that begins with the sound? Spider. Does it begin with the sound? Yes, it does. Van. Does it begin with the sound? No. School? Yes, it does. Tree? No. Snowman? Yes, it begins with the sound. The next sound is sound A. A. Does the picture school begins with the sound A? No. Astronaut? Yes, it begins with the sound A. Astronaut. Ambulance? Ambulance? Yes, it begins with the sound A. Ant? Ant. Tree? No, it does not begin with the sound A. Let's see, the next sound is T. Table. Does it begin with the sound T? Yes, it does. The next picture is astronaut. Does it begin with the sound T? No. Tomato. Yes, it begins with the sound T. Tooth. It begins with the sound T. Ant. It does not begin with the sound T. Now, can you do it by yourself? Let's see for the sound I. Injection. Instruments. Tooth. Nail. Inchworm. Can you identify the pictures that begins with the sound I? Injection. Instrument. Inchworm. Well done. Let's see the next sound. The next sound is P. P. Napkin. Inchworm. Popcorn. Pineapple. Penguin. Can you identify the pictures that begins with the sound P? Popcorn. Popcorn. Pineapple. Penguins. Good work. The next sound is the sound Can you identify the pictures that begins with the sound Net. Napkin. Injection. Table. Nail. Which are the pictures that begins with the sound net. Napkin. Nail. Well done. That's all for this. Don't forget to watch my next video on Group 2, recognizing the letters and its sounds. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.